Are you planning to visit Turkey? And in this video, I'm going to share my experience with you. If you are planning to go to Turkey, I will try to make short video to the point, so you will get a lot of information and idea about it. In 2024, is to visit Turkey is worth it or not? Let me tell you. Number one, to buy a flight from any EU countries, you will get very cheap. That's make a plus point. But if after that, if you book any hotel, and it's also cheaper than Europe, so this is also plus point number two. And transport is almost same European cost nowadays, because inflation. Turkey prices are really high nowadays. So transport, I will not say is positive or negative point, because it's equal price. And if you are planning to book a 4-5 star hotel, I will not recommend you to waste you a lot of money, because normal hotel and 4-5 star hotel are almost same standard. So it's up to you what you gonna go for, which option you gonna go for it. And that's what I'm trying to explain you in further detail. Well, I've been in one restaurant, and gonna show you in this video as well. So this cost, each meal cost me around like 15 to 20 euro minimum. And this is negative points, because in Europe you can get 10 to 12 euro per meal. And average meal is like normal meal is 15 euro. If you go for like nice dining, the cost of food per meal is gonna be 20 to 30 euro per meal. So like you will find a lot of nice luxury restaurants when you're roaming around. They have a nice dining, but they are all tasteless. So I will recommend you to go a local restaurant which is the way cheaper and tasty food as well. So, and the other things, there is a lot of scams going on in the hotel when you book it. So what's gonna happen when you pay from booking.com? What's happen when you arrive to hotel? They will tell you they didn't receive any payment. They will charge you, and booking.com also take money from you. But you have contact. If you are lucky, maybe booking.com refund your money back if you have evidence. But some of hotels people, they will refuse to give you the evidence that you pay for it. Try to refuse this. Try to don't go for this hotel and book another one, because you're not gonna pay for it. So yeah, this is the point number 3. So if you are already in EU, and I travel more than 40 countries, and I will suggest you to travel somewhere like Spain and Greece and Czech Republic and Poland, and this kind of countries is more cheaper than nowadays from Turkey. So, and especially if you have a Pakistan, Indian and Bangladesh non-EU passport, you're traveling to Turkey, you have to pay $60 for visa cost additional fees. So that's also negative factor, because you have to pay $60 extra cost. The hotel is very far away from city center. If you take the hotel, you have to take the taxis cost 30 to 50 euro between. And if you take a bus, it costs like 3 to 4 euro. So it's up to you which way you choose. And the internet is a big scam here. When you arrive, you don't have any option, because it's non-EU country. When you buy a SIM card, it costs 20 to 40 euros, depend which SIM you wanna go for it. So this is also a negative factor. If you are just landing for 3-4 days, and you're gonna spend 30 to 50 euro only for SIM card, and you don't have any option, because you need to go to airport, your hotel, you need to choose your transport. For everything you need SIM card. So that's why you will find a lot of company provided, and they're gonna scam you. If you go to the city center, the prices are halfer than an airport. So there is nowadays a lot of negative facts. If you buy a Turkish ice cream, they're gonna show you one price, but when you buy already, and they cost you double price in ice cream. So they're gonna scam you. Everywhere is scams going on, because when they found you are not from Turkey, they're trying to rip you off, and they were gonna charge you a lot of money for that. So I'm just making this video very simple, and this channel is for me, is only for informatics. I spend a lot of money, and I travel many European countries. As I travel Norway and Denmark, Sweden. These countries for me is way cheaper than Turkey nowadays in 24, and that's I'm trying to explain you. It's up to you now. If you watch my video and you get the information, try to share with other people, and subscribe my channel. I'm traveling frequently many countries, so I'm gonna update you about the other countries, and will tell you the important information about that. See you in next video. Take care.